everyone, this is Lolly. I wanted to talk about the future of Lolly kits, or at least the near future. Many of you know that I just recently did a craft along in December, which was called a December Daily Pocket Journal. I'll give you the link below to that project. And before I had started that project, I put together a kit of materials that you could use to craft along with me to make the same project. And so I had big plans for Valentine's Day, and I was going to do more kits. Whereas I had done 20 of the December Daily, I was going to do 48 of the Valentine project. And so I was in the process of ordering my supplies, and I had some things already assembled. I had some files that I designed, some free downloads to give you, etc. And when the big order came, I had ordered a box. It had 66 items in it, 40 pounds. And when I ordered that, it was supposed to come, let's see, so it was Tuesday, 2 days ago. And when it arrived by FedEx, it was awfully light. There's no way that was 40 pounds. So when I opened it up, it was mostly air in the box. There wasn't even any packing material. And all I had was 11 of the 66 items I had ordered. So I contacted my rep, we talked it over, I looked online to see what other paper collection I could switch to. Oh, back up. What happened was she said that she had contacted the manufacturer of this paper line, which is Kissing Booth by Simple Stories. The demand has been high, and they are out, and they can't get any more shipped until next year. So, and that is not even guaranteeing that it's the beginning of January. So we'd have no idea. And so I don't want to assume that I'm going to be able to get materials to make kits in January, which is also still too late for me because this project is going to start this month. So we decided to abandon ship and not assemble kits for this project. So what I'm going to do, what I have is about 12 or 13 of the, I think it's called Collector's Essentials kit from the Kissing Booth. So Simple Stories has 2 kits. So if you see one that's like $15 online, that's the kit that has less items in it. This kit has one of everything in it. And if you want to see what's in it, stay tuned. And after I'm done talking to you face to face, I'll show you what's in this particular kit. So I had like 12 or 13 of these that I will put in my shop, but that's all I have. So, and I won't be adding the extra things that I would normally put into a Lolly kit. But still, it's something to work with and play around with if you want to do this project. And so I'm thinking that what I want to do is make a book, some sort of book like a journal. We're going to hand stitch the pages in there. So yes, you get to challenge yourself on that. Okay, sorry for all the frustration, the delays and everything, but postage and shipping is what it is and can't be helped. Okay, stay tuned for seeing what's in this kit. Okay, so here's the package. Holiday Kissing Booth. So what it shows is they've got the 12 by 12, cardstock stickers, and that's what you're seeing right here on the front. That's what that is. They got the bits and pieces die cuts. There's 66 die cuts in there. And that is what this is right there. And then it has the 6 by 12 chipboard stickers, sorry. So those are chipboard. And then it has 8 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock. So you can see them right here, these two. One of the things that I had done when I was assembling the kit was to give a couple extra of these so that we could have them for covers on inserts or signatures, and they have the cards here as well. You know, the cut-aparts, several cut-aparts, and then that. And then also there is a roll of washi that looks like this when it's all rolled out. And that is right there. There's the washi. So, like I said, this is the bigger of the 2 kits that are available through this line. Well, it used to be available. It's really getting hard. So I'm having a hard time procuring them. So those of you that still want to kind of play around, and when my shop runs out of this, then I'll give you a link to somewhere else that I can find where you can probably get them. So anyway, I know I just can't get them and get them in bulk and get them because they're not even, my supplier doesn't even have them right now. So thank you for watching, and I will give you the links down below.